Hello, this is Liz. Welcome to my little urban homestead and welcome to Fabric Friday. We had a little tax return the other week, so I went on Amazon and bought a few things. I bought some canning supplies as well, but these are things that I wanted and I hadn't got. There's the little clover mini iron, because I intend, I want to use it on the whole cloth quilt. I've bought myself a new rotary cutter and blades somewhere. Oh yes, some titanium blades, I think. Yeah, titanium blades. I've also bought myself a little pair of scissors that will help me when I'm cutting trapunto work out. Also, they're round end like school scissors, so that it won't go through my fabric. I bought some heat erase pens and refills. This is it's paper that will go through the printer, but I can print off and do foundation paper piecing on this. I've bought myself some material because I'm also thinking of doing a bookshelf quilt. So I bought myself some book material. And this is, what's this? Oh, Wonder Web. Well, Bonder Web. I bought myself a little teeny iron because it is going on my nerves, that big heavy one. A box of sewing machine needles, all different sizes, a box of quilting needles, some glass head pins because my pins have all got plastic heads, and when I'm doing applique and you iron it on with the Bonder Web, if you're not careful you'll melt the heads of your pins. So I've got some glass head ones so that they won't melt, and like a little tuning tool. So I thought I bought a couple of other things, but I can't find them at the moment. Oh yes, a big ruler cutter combo, a very long one. I have got the smaller one. I mean, this one is 26 inches long. The one I've got here is only about 12 inches. So I've got two of those now. The only thing is they're too big for where I store my normal rulers. So I'm going to have to make another organiser. Okay, bye.